Hello, everybody. Mike Deuce here. We're starting the summer off with an exciting set. This is the 2026 Topps Chrome Marvel set. Now, this is the Marvel comic set, not the Marvel Studios set that was released in December of last year. This is pretty much the biggest set of the year for comic books, Marvel comic books cards. So, this is very exciting. We've got special inserts in these. We've got fanfare inserts, sketch cards, artist autographs. We've got also relic cards that have comic book pieces in them, and lots of other pulls you can get, like super refractors and others. There's also regular parallels like Hulk green lasers, Captain America sparkle refractors, and others. So let's see what we get here. This is a hobby box. We're going to save these two blaster boxes for later. These are value boxes at $40 a piece. The hobby boxes come in around 400 or more. So let's see what we get. A good box to start off the summer season. I really hit some good cards in the Topps Chrome Marvel from last year. That was the first top set of Marvel cards. Very cool. Let's see how many packs we get per box. Let's see here. Six, 12 packs per box, 6 cards per pack. Okay. Get these lined up in the box here. Okay, pack number 1. Here we go. Okay. Big money, no whammies. Come on, let's see if we hit something in the first pack. You get 4 numbered inserts usually, or parallels usually. Here's something. This is a Doom. The World of Doctor Doom. That's already one of them. And we got a yellow refractor. Mysterio. Numbered to 275. That's cool. A She-Venom. That's cool. An Exodus from the X-Men villain. Electro. And Mr. Sinister, I believe. Yes. Let's get these two parallel, the insert and the parallel in the sleeves. I believe the Doctor Doom one is an insert. Not quite sure on that. That is one of our numbered parallels with Mysterio there. Check this one out a little more. One World Under Doom. That's cool. Very cool. Must be Doom's team there. Maybe we'll see a Doom villain team in the new movie in December, Avengers Doomsday. I'm looking forward to that. Should be cool. The return of Robert Downey Jr. in the Marvel movies. Pack number 2, folks. Hopefully we get another insert. That is a cool one, but it's not a big numbered one. Like an autograph or a relic. Here we have Professor X regular refractor, I believe. These are nice cards. Here's an Icons of Black Cat. That's a cool one to get. Very nice. Captain Marvel. Cool card. That's a regular refractor. Nimrod, the X-Men Sentinel villain from the future. Here we have Moon Girl and War Machine. Very cool. These are very nice card stock. Even nicer than the 2025 Topps Chrome Marvel. Pack number 3. See what we get. We get another numbered pull here. So this is a Meanwhile, New Avengers Assemble Again. That must be a different type. Oh, we have another parallel. Oh, magic. Nice. Some sort of blue refractor. $1.99. That's a very nice card. Look at that. Look at that. Very cool. Great character, numbered to $1.99. Let me get that in the sleeve. I want to protect that one. That's a great pull. Very popular character. She's in the Marvel Rivals game. I played a little bit. And I think Anna Taylor-Joy might play her in movies. She played her in the show. I didn't watch that, but I heard she may return to play the character. Spider-Man 2099, I have issue number 1 of his comic book when I bought him in the 90s. Here's Vulcan. Next we have Sister Sorrow and Dragonfire. Okay, next pack. Lost track of the pack here, maybe 4 here. 4 or 5. Nope, this is 4. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 996 or so. Very close. Oh, look at this. This is a fanfare. Oh my gosh, awesome one too. Fanfare of Ghost Rider. That's sweet. Look at that artwork. Very cool. Regular refractor fanfare, I believe. Is that... Okay, we've got Blade refractor after that. Followed by a Silk card. Regular. Followed by Tigra. And a Black Cat regular card. Nice. They've got great artwork in this set, definitely. Okay, let me get the fanfare in a couple sleeves. Those are... See, this even has special description on the back as an insert. Fanfare Ghost Rider from 2026 Topps Chrome Marvel. It's not a numbered one, but it's still very cool. Very cool character, too. Seems to be a pretty good box so far. I'd like to give a shout out to Dave up at Red Curtain Comics and Collectibles in Akron, Ohio. I bought this from him. He picked out this box for me. He said I could pick out another box, but I trusted his luck, and it looks like it's turning out well. He said that was a lot of pressure. Sorry, the top loader there is a little tight. Let me get a different one. This fanfare card seems to be thicker. Unless it has another card stuck to it. No, it's just a thicker card. Interesting. Very cool card stock, though. Let me get this in the sleeve here. Just need to line this up right, sorry. Come on. Okay, the fanfare card. Very cool. Pack number 5, I believe. Halfway through the packs. These boxes look like they'll be better value than last year's boxes, even though those were great too. Last year's boxes had some quality control issues because it was Topps' first Marvel set after they bought the license. Well, after X-Men 97, I should say. Here's something. A Blade regular refractor, it looks like. You can see that usually says refractor on the back. Guess they don't this time. Here's an Icons of Kingpin. Man, we're getting great characters. Looks like we might have something here behind these ones. Here's a Infernal Hulk, not an Internal Hulk, but Goblin Queen, that's Madeline Pryor. Athena, guess that's not a refractor. And, oh, this is cool. Arachnix. That is Wolverine and Spider-Man. Mashup character there. Cool. Next pack. Again, Northeast Ohio, Akron, Ohio, Red Curtain Comics and Collectibles. Very cool store. They just got a new location, 5,000 square feet. Lots of comics, lots of collectibles. Okay, here we have a Meanwhile again, a new Gwenpool. That's cool. Oh, here's a numbered one. Forge, numbered to 75. Yeah, numbered to 75. That's the purple refractor. Very cool. And we have Scream from the Spider-Man comics. Here we have Shang-Chi, regular base card. Doctor Strange, regular base card. That's cool. And Hellcat. Let me get this in the sleeve here. I'm also opening the Magic the Gathering cards right now for the Marvel Superheroes set for that. I'm on, just released the second set of 10 packs and a collector booster this week. And next week will be the last 10 pack set and another collector booster. And then I have a pre-release kit I'll be opening at least. Next pack here. Hope you guys are all having a good 4th of July here. Or you had a good 4th of July after this video will be released after that. Here's the Beyond. That's a parallel too. Or an insert, I believe. Nice. Here's something. We'll put the Beyond in the sleeve after we're done here. Here's a Spider-Man classic comic covers. That's cool. Hellgate. Shuri with wings. Wolverine, nice. Base card of Wolverine, that's nice. And we have Toxin. Cool. This is the Beyond of Miles Morales. Very cool. I highly recommend this set. I'm loving it already, folks. Much better than the Marvel Studios set, even better than last year's Marvel comic set. Put this over here. We still got 5 packs maybe left. Come on, big money, no whammy. I think we've got one numbered parallel left to go. I think the insert was the fanfare. The Doom one must just be a different subset. Here's something. Future Stars of Cyclops? No, that's Weapon 8. Weapon 8, maybe? Not sure on that. What is that? Weapon... Yeah, Weapon 8. Pardon the dog upstairs. We must have visitors. So here's Nightcrawler, Refractor, a Rogue, regular, Doyle Dormammu, Elektra, base card, and Vision. Next pack. Here, oh, we got something cool here. This is neat. 60th anniversary, 60 years of Black Panther. This looks cool. That's very cool. Is that a parallel? Oh, let's check this out. 60 years of Black Panther, first appearing in Fantastic Four number 52. Black Panther T'Challa of Wakanda is a warrior king and visionary scientist. From defending his hidden nation to leading on the world stage, he steadily embodies power, honor, and the limitless potential of a true hero. That's a very cool treatment on the parallel. That might be a special insert too. Maybe you can get more than one insert per box. Look at that. Very cool. I'm going to get that in the sleeve right away. Special refractor treatment. It almost looks like a super refractor with a rainbow instead of gold, but not numbered. So maybe we'll check some of the values of these with the Google Lens after this. Let's go through the rest of that pack here. Here we have another World of Doom. That's cool. Dr. Doom there. Human Torch. That's cool. Devil Dinosaur. Here we have White Tiger. And U.S. Agent. Next pack. Looks like we got 3 left here. Come on. I think we'll get another numbered parallel here at least. Maybe a sketch card. That'd be nice. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Magic. Fanfare again. That's nice. Look at that. That's great. 2 Fanfare cards. Ghost Rider and Magic. They're on the darker superhero side a little bit as far as their powers go. These are very thick cards too. Here we have the back of this one. Fanfare Magic from Marvel. Topps Chrome Marvel Comics. This is a good box, folks. Not numbered, but still very cool. Let me try to get this in some sleeves again. Again, please like and subscribe if you liked the video. Let me see about this. Don't want to damage the card here. Give me a second, please. Definitely a bigger card than the other cards. There we go. There we go. Oh, good thing they're in the top loaders, huh? 2 more packs to go, folks. And that was Doom 2099 Refractor. Hercules on that one. Carnage, that's cool. Like Carnage. I got comic books from him. Thanos. I've got the old Maximum Carnage set, most of those from the 90s. When I subscribed to The Amazing Spider-Man and some of the other ones. Let's see if we get a out of 50 or 25 here in a numbered card. Oh, here's a Beyond. These are nice. Dr. Doom, too. That's great. Dr. Doom, the Beyond. Very cool. Oh, wow. Here's Lady Henrietta. Numbered to, what is this? 80? Looks like 80. Yes, 46 of 80. That's cool. Blue or yellow. That's neat. Kind of matches the character, too. Put that to the side. Mr. Fantastic. Here's She-Hulk. Cool. And Spider-Ham. That's a classic. And the Sentry. Very cool. Let me get these in a sleeve. The Beyond and Henrietta. I don't know the Henrietta character. This looks like it's a first appearance. She was not in last year's set. New character. Cool. Don't know what type of refractor this blue-yellow one is. So we'll put that back there. The Beyond is warped a little bit. Still very cool. Doctor Doom, great hit for the character. Okay. Put that there for now, and one more pack. Come on, big money, no whammy. Last pack magic. We've had some good magic cards so far. The character magic, so let's see if we get some last pack magic. Maybe another one from a card of her. Here's something. Infernal Hulk Refractor this time. A Future Stars of Moonstar. Maybe, I don't know who that is, but got a Captain America shield there. Hope Summers, that's a cool refractor. Taskmaster. Spider, looks like a robot Spider-Man alternate one. Iron Man, cool. And that is it, folks. So let's try and look up some of these values here, or at least what people are posting them as with the Google Lens, so I can give you guys some information on these. It's a brand new set, so there's not much on these. So let's learn together here. Looks like that one's selling for, my comic shop has it for, I don't see a price on that one. They must not have a copy of it. Interesting. Not very many of those out yet, folks. Look, Ghost Rider Fanfare, very cool. Here's Watts Comic Shop. No, that's the actual comic book. Interesting. Oh, let's check another one. Let's check the Beyond. Of Doctor Doom. No listings of this one either. We might have some good cards to post. I'll have these up on my collect store you can check out. Or maybe eBay too. I've moved over mostly to collects. But this is a cool one. Oh, excuse me on that. Let's check the Black Panther one. Yeah, we're not finding any matches for postings of these cards. So they're rare, they're new, very cool. Okay, folks. Well, I'm gonna put some comments in the post, and after I get the video up there, of maybe what the pack odds were for some of these card polls, like this Fanfare of Magic and the Magic to 199, the Beyond hits that we got. We got 2 Fanfares, 2 Beyonds, and 4 numbered cards. It was a very cool opening for sure. Very cool characters, not bad at all. Thank you for tuning in. We'll do a value box opening. We got these other 2 value boxes to open. Please like and subscribe. Have a good summer, folks.